Hello students, today we are going to start with writing code for HTML or creating your web page. For that, in mobile, if you are working, you may use any of the app present there like Notepad. Any editor, text editor can be selected for that. I have selected this Notepad plus, and when I tap on this, it will start. It may take little time if your network is slow, otherwise it will opens very fast, and then you can see this kind of a screen where it is asking for opening a new file or open a old file. I am opening a new file. When you open a new file, see what happens. You will see all the frequently used options here in the bottom bar. So I need to have a angular bracket, so it is there. And then open your web page which by writing HTML tag. This is telling the web browser this is the starting of or the opening of the web page. So this is must to have HTML tag first of all every time. Then your second and the basic tag is head tag, where you are going to have your heading. So close this. Now I will write the title tag to give title to my web page, because every information should have so many of the title. And I told you earlier also that it is not a case sensitive, so whether you write a small letter or capital letter, it will not make any difference. So I am writing the heading my first web page, and close the title tag by slash title. Now my the space is not proper, so it has adjusted to the next line. Next enter, and now I'll close the head tag also, so slash head, this way, enter. Now the actual content which what I want to display on the screen or the web page is start with the body tag. Here I'll write the main content, like I'm writing just a small line of the sentence here. This is my first web page. I am enjoying learning HTML. This way. Now I'll close the body tag also, slash body, and don't forget to close your HTML tag also, because that tells the web browser this is the end of the web page. Slash HTML, this way. I'll save my file, and the name I'm giving my file is first web page. So in short I can write first web page, FWP. Okay, now I want to see the output of this file what I have made. You can see a triangle here, this arrow here. Tap on this. It is asking which browser you want to use. I'm taking more because I'm comfortable with HTML viewer. So tap on this. Now see, the title was my first web page, and this is the rest of the content of my web page. So this way you can see on your browser the output of your file. Once you have done it, you can make correction and you can see the further changes also. Suppose I add one more line after this. When I see next time, I don't have to retype the whole program again and again. I can keep making changes in my web page by making changes to the code. So I write the next paragraph. It is a wonderful experience Okay, I have added one more line here. Now let's see. Save first. Only save, because here we have already saved the file. I don't need to save again and again. Now see the output. Again more, and HTML viewer. See, it will add the line afterwards this way, or I can rotate my mobile to see it in the horizontal view also. See, if I want everything in the separate line, I can make changes here. There is a tag, BR tag, so that will make automatically your line to the next line. I add one more tag, that is the BR tag. This is known as for break. It will break the line. You don't have to write in a separate line here because it doesn't make any difference where are you writing. This is a empty tag. It does not need it to close. So now see the difference. Save it first, then see the difference. See, everything has got separated to the different lines. So this way you can use HTML editor or the text editor in your phone, and you can view your output also. In the next part you will see how to use it on your laptop.